Welcome back to the deep dive.
Yeah.
In part one, we kind of got into like the core concepts
Yeah.
of this data product management course, and we started to see how it could help someone build a really strong foundation
Yeah, for sure.
for a career in this field. So
Uh-huh.
let's say you're listening to this and you're thinking, okay,
Yeah.
this all sounds great, but I
Mhm.
don't have a ton of experience in data product management yet.
Right.
How can I actually use this course to land my first role or level up in my current position?
Yeah, that's a great question. And I think first and foremost, understanding that data as a product mindset is huge.
Okay.
Even if you haven't officially had a data product manager title, you can start applying that mindset
Okay.
in your current role.
So like what would be an example of that?
So think about projects
Okay.
where you've used data to drive a decision
Go.
or improve a process.
Oh.
Those are all examples that you can highlight on your resume in your interviews
Right.
to show that you understand the strategic value of data.
So it's about framing your experiences in a way that highlights data-driven thinking,
Yeah.
even if you weren't formally building,
On building data products.
yeah, data products.
And don't forget about those 5 core values we talked about.
Oh, right.
Discoverable, actionable, reliable, governable, and ethical.
Yeah, those are good.
Like gold in
Yeah.
a job interview.
Right. It's one thing to say you're a data-driven person,
Yeah.
but it's much more
So
impactful
much more.
to give concrete examples
Yeah.
of how you've made data more accessible or reliable or actionable.
Right. And the course gives you the language and the framework to do just that.
Okay.
You can talk about, how you improved data quality
Hmm.
by implementing data validation checks,
Right.
or how you made data more accessible to different teams
Yeah.
by building a self-service data platform.
Yeah. Those are really good examples.
Yeah,
That shows that you're not just talking the talk, but you're walking the walk.
that's it.
And you're applying these principles
In the real world.
in the real world.
Yeah. And when you can articulate those experiences using the terminology from the course, it shows that you've, invested in your professional development
Right.
and that you're really committed to staying ahead of the curve
Right.
in this field.
It shows you take it seriously.
Absolutely.
They're not messing around.
Yeah.
Okay. So we've covered how to kind of showcase the mindset and the core values.
Mhm.
Let's talk about the different types of data products.
Okay.
Knowing what all is out there,
Mhm.
it seems like it could be really helpful.
Yeah.
For targeting specific job opportunities.
It's crucial.
Yeah.
The course goes into, analytic BI marketing, AML, and generative AI data products.
Right.
Each type requires, a different skill set,
Right.
and it caters to different industries and company needs.
So someone who's really passionate about AI, they could focus their job search
Yeah,
on companies that are, developing AML products.
for sure.
While somebody who's more, interested in the business side of things,
Mhm.
they might be drawn to roles
Yeah.
in analytic BI or marketing.
Exactly. By understanding those different types of data products, you can really tailor your resume
Okay.
and your job search strategy to
Okay.
highlight the skills
Mhm.
and experiences
Okay.
that are most relevant to the roles that you're targeting.
So it's about being strategic,
Yes.
aligning your career goals
Uh-huh.
with the areas of the market that are most exciting.
That's it.
And the course provides some real-world examples.
Of each type of data product,
Mhm.
which can help you really visualize
Okay.
the different career paths
Right.
that are available.
Yeah.
And get a sense of,
Which one's the best fit?
Yeah.
Right.
And then once you've landed that interview,
Yeah.
being able to speak intelligently about the different types of data products
Okay.
and their applications and their challenges will definitely impress hiring managers.
It shows you've done your homework.
Yeah, you're not just interested in, any data product management job.
Right.
You're interested in the work that they're doing.
You're serious.
Yeah, you're a serious candidate
Yeah.
who understands the landscape and is passionate about contributing
Yeah.
to their specific team or company.
Okay, so we've talked about showcasing the mindset, the core values, and, understanding the different types of data products.
Yeah.
What other, practical advice does the course offer
Right.
for advancing a career in data product management?
One crucial aspect is learning how to integrate those traditional product management principles
Right.
into the world of data.
Okay.
Module 4 really dives deep into this.
Okay.
Covers user research, design, prototyping, road mapping.
Right.
You know, those skills are essential
Yeah.
for building data products that are user-friendly
Right.
and that deliver real value.
It's not enough to just build something that works.
No.
It needs to be something that people want to use.
Right. It has to solve a problem.
Right.
And during job interviews, you can actually use the frameworks and examples from the course
Okay.
to demonstrate your understanding of these principles.
So, for example.
So you can talk about how you conducted user interviews
Okay.
to gather feedback on a prototype,
Mm-hmm.
or how you use data to prioritize features on a product roadmap.
Right. So you're showing them that you have that product-centric thinking,
Yeah.
which is so important
So crucial.
for success in this field.
And it's not just about talking the talk, you know, it's about walking the walk. And even if you haven't held a formal data product management role, you can still apply these principles
Okay.
in your current position.
So for somebody who's working as a data analyst, for example,
Right.
they could start thinking about how to make their analyses more user-friendly
Yes.
or how to present their findings in a way that's more actionable
Exactly.
for decision makers.
It's about taking initiative and showcasing those skills, even before you land that dream job.
So how can somebody demonstrate their impact and stand out when it comes to performance reviews or promotions?
That's where Module 5 comes in.
Right.
And it's all about mastering the art of OKRs.
Objectives and key results.
You got it.
Oh, yeah. I've heard so much about these, but I'm not sure everyone understands how powerful they can be.
They're more than just goals.
Right?
They're a framework
Okay.
for aligning your work with the organization's strategic objectives and measuring your progress.
So instead of just saying, I did this and this,
Right.
you're saying, I achieved this specific objective,
Yeah.
which contributed to this key result for the company.
You got it. It's about showcasing the impact of your work and showing that you're not just working hard, you're working smart,
Right.
aligning your efforts with the company priorities.
That's a game changer when it comes to performance reviews.
Totally.
Or making a case for a promotion.
It really is. And the course walks you through the process of setting those effective OKRs, tracking your progress, and communicating your achievements in a way that really highlights your contribution.
It's like a data-driven performance review.
I love that.
It takes the guesswork out of, demonstrating your value.
For sure. And as you move into those more senior roles, being able to set clear OKRs for your team and track their progress is an essential leadership skill.
So it's like you're setting the direction, empowering your team and measuring success in a way that's objective
and transparent. The course gives you the tools and the confidence to do that.
I like it. We've covered a lot of ground in this part, but we're not done yet.
Not even close.
There's still more to explore in terms of how this data product management course can help someone really thrive in this field. So we'll be back in part 3 to wrap things up.
Okay.
And leave you with some final, inspiring takeaways.